Hi guys, I am Akansha Sahgal and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a DIY video, and in today's video we are going to see some basic, simple yet amazing techniques on how you can make your own pattern paper. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For the first pattern, you'll need your sheet of paper and you need to divide it into segments with the help of a paper tape. Once you divide your sheet, take some paint on a piece of sponge and dab it onto the sheet like this. I took 3 colors, yellow, maroon and orange. Make sure you merge the paint at the edges like this. Once you are completely done and the paint is dry, peel off the tape. Once you peel off the tape, the final result will look something like this. Now for the second pattern, you'll need a sheet of paper and some leaves of your choice. Put some paint on the leaf and press it onto the paper like so. Then remove the leaves. You can use various shapes or colors to make your pattern. The final result will look like this. For the third pattern, you'll need your sheet of paper and a polythene, and you need to dip the polythene in the paint and dab it onto the sheet like this. I took 2 colors, pink and blue, and repeated the process with the blue color as well. You can take any colors of your choice and you need to completely fill the sheet. Once you've completely filled your sheet, it will look something like this. For the next pattern, take your sheet of paper and a wax crayon. You can also take a candle instead of the wax crayon, and with the help of that, draw any pattern that you like on the sheet of paper. I went with some flowers. Once you are done with your design, take some watercolors and paint your sheet like this. You can take any colors of your choice. You just need to completely fill the sheet with the help of your watercolors. Once it's completely filled, the final result will be like this. For the final pattern, you need to take a sheet of paper and paint it with the help of watercolors like so. I went with the shades of blues and greens. You can take any colors of your choice. You just need to completely fill the sheet with the help of watercolors. Once you've completely filled your sheet, take some salt and then sprinkle it onto the sheet randomly. Once you've sprinkled the salt, keep the sheet aside to dry. Once the sheet is dry, the final result will be like this. And the 5 pattern papers are ready. Let me know in the comment section which one was your favorite. So this was it for today's video. I hope you liked these techniques. If you apply any of these, make sure you share your photo with me on Instagram or Facebook. I will leave a link to my Instagram and Facebook handles in the description box below. Also, don't forget to like, comment and share this video. And make sure you subscribe to the channel for more such content in the future. Thank you. Bye.